Hey everybody, welcome back to day 2. Okay, for today we're going to be talking about the frame. It's going to be kind of our first layout on Schoology of how to access this video, how to access the Google Slides lecture, and how to do your assignment. Okay, so once we get onto our Schoology page here, you can see that today we're talking about the frame, how you can apply it to your life when you are not getting things that you want to be getting. Okay. You're going to need to turn in your worksheet by 11:59 tonight. And here we go. Okay, so task 1, you're watching my video. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to go over your expectations for today. You're going to watch my video narrating the frame slides. I'll be talking you through the slides and explaining the homework assignment at the end. Okay, make sure you're taking notes through the lecture slide today so that you can easily fill out that homework at the end, and you have those answers and things filled out for your quiz on Friday. And then task 3, you're going to complete the worksheet titled Wellness 1, the frame. You're going to download it in Notability, fill out the answers, type them, or have very legible handwriting. That would be awesome. Make sure they're all full answers. Okay, so my video is going to show up right here. The link is going to be here if for some reason clicking on the thumbnail does not work. For the lecture today, you're going to click right here and watch me go through the slides and narrate the frame. Okay, if that doesn't work, the YouTube videos here, just copy and paste that. And then if you want the slides from today's lecture on your own without the narration, those slides are right here as well. After you go through that, you're going to do today's homework assignment. Okay, so this is only about a 6-minute video. It's going to be super quick. You're going to download the PDF. For this assignment, you'll need to fill out your own frame and then answer the questions about it. Okay, make sure you're putting something in the middle of the frame. Okay, in the middle of the frame and then on the 4 corners as well. Okay, so here are those slides. And then here is going to be your assignment. Again, download the PDF in Notability. We'll wait for this to load and upload it by 11:59 tonight. If you have not done the assignment from yesterday, please get that done and get that turned in. All right, we'll come over here to look at this. Okay, so the frame. You're going to put your issue in here. You're going to answer the question, how are you seeing this? Write the answer right here. What are you feeling about it? Write the answer right here. What are you doing about it? Answer the question right here. And what are you getting? Answer it right here. Okay, you need to fill this out before you go down and answer these questions. Okay, and then once you're done answering those questions, you're going to turn it in right here to the assignment tab by 11:59 p.m. tonight. Good luck.